Yes, friends. For the occupation, what I am continuing, that is uh, 10th Dashamsha also we have to see. Dashamsha means it is one of the natal chart which tells about the 10th house. So 10th aspect, that is in the natal chart only there are the small for example Navamsha, Dashamsha and Shashtiamsha, like that they are the different natal chart is created for the job. For looking of the job we have to see Dashamsha. So we have to see what? Dashamsha. So Dashamsha in the sense the what you call 10th house is divided into many degrees and that they are made. So particularly Dashamsha chart tells about a person's job, what kind of job he will going to have and how his job will be. So in the Dashamsha we have to see particularly for the job purposes. For natal chart we will see all the things related to different things, but here in the Dashamsha we see the only job related things. How can we see in the Dashamsha means as like natal chart, here also we have to consider the ascendant lord. So ascendant lord is good enough means then we have to see 10th house. 10th house, which are the planets which are sitting in the 10th house. If there are very good planets are sitting, for example so not good or bad planets for the work, the planet should be comfortable there. For example, Jupiter is sitting in the 10th house means okay, it is very good for the Jupiter sitting in the 10th house. That person is going to do very good jobs and very good things, all those things. But here if the 10th house happens to be a Capricorn means where in that Capricorn the Jupiter only debilitated there. So in one way it is good, in another way it is bad. And one more thing may happen, that is the 10th house where Jupiter is debilitated, but sometimes debilitation may be get cancelled because of the Rashi Lord, that is Saturn may be seated in any one of the Kendra from the natal Lagna. So during that time he may that debilitation may be get cancelled and his job will be very very fine. Particularly the Jupiter and the Sun, Mars and also the Mercury sitting in the 10th house gives very good results. Even the Saturn sitting in the 10th house is also very good. But the placement of that planet should be proper. For example, 10th house happens to be Aries means there Saturn is there means even though Saturn is there in the 10th house, he will not give proper results. Why? Because Aries sign is debilitation for the Saturn. For that reason, you have to see whether he is sitting in a exalted or debilitated state, or in his enemy's house, or is his friendly house, or is his own house. So that is what very important. So if that planet is sitting in a his Mula Trikona or his own house or his friend's house or his exaltation means, then it will give good result. And if he is sitting with his friends means again it will be more good results. That is how we may tell the job, how it will be job. And usually you see Jupiter sitting in the 10th house means the person usually going to have a advice related jobs, that means to say counseling, or he may be doing some dharma related occupations. So if it is Sun means Sun is sitting in the 10th house means he will give a great he will be one of the government servant, and he will be one of the utmost prominent government servant, one can say. And if it is Saturn is sitting, means he is working as an employee, and he is working honestly as well. So next, if the Mercury is sitting there, means he will be an accountant or a public servant, or the person who is writing any, what do you call, uh, things related to accounting, all those things. So such, that is how the 10th house is, uh, by looking the 10th house in the natal chart, and also by looking the dashamsha chart in the astrology, one can decide what kind of job he will going to get, and how his job will be very good or bad. I hope you understood, friends. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you.